As early as last year, if you can recall, when I was presiding in one of the budget deliberations, I made mention the fact, hindi pa pumuputok ito si Mayor Guo, hindi pa pumuputok itong issue na to, that there was a town in Mindanao that was issuing fake birth certificates, late registration. I mentioned it there. It was picked up by the media. This was November of 2023. And tama pala yung pinalabas ko na information, and now it seems that the PSA has validated almost over 1,600 or 1,700 fake late registration birth certificates. So, at that time, I remember that the NBI, when I spoke to them, said that they had no evidence of such thing happening. So I want to thank Senator Risa Ontiveros Committee for, and together with Senator Sherwin Gatchalian, for bringing this out, that this was actually happening. If we didn't bring that out as early as then and now, I would just dread to believe what would happen to our country. It will be a nation of fake Filipinos. On the issue of the plane, Your Honor, Mr. President, if you have the document, the arrival document in Malaysia, they will always have the flight number. If the flight number now registers to a chartered plane, then you can find out who owns the chartered plane. And dahil nga masyadong popular ito si Mayor Go, kilala siya. Sigurado kilala ng piloto kung sinong pasahero nila. Imposibleng hindi makikilala. Matatanong mo sila, bakit nila hindi na i-report na ito po ang pasahero nila? Because you have also manifest. You cannot leave. The CAAP can fine or actually dismiss pilots in the failure to name the members in the manifest. And it has to be the authentic name. It has to be a certified name with passport. So, my suggestion, Mr. President, to the committee is to go back and subpoena, of course, CAAP, and if they give you the documents on who the chartered plane that provided this escape, then you can subpoena these individuals. Imposibleng darating yan sa international port na walang document kung anong eroplanong sinakyan niya at yung airplane number, because that's a violation of international law. So, thank you, Mr.